Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Carl here, and today I'm going to show you a tool that you need when working on boat motors, especially when you got to change lower unit oil, right? Some of these plugs sometimes just do not come off, and no matter how much torque you apply, it's just not enough, right? So there's a tool out there, and I just discovered this not too long ago, but it works so good. I mean, it works so good. This is a heavy duty impact screwdriver kit, and this is what the tool looks like inside. So it's like pretty much a big chisel punch, right, that you can put different bits in, and once you put them in there, you can set which direction you want the tool to turn, and then when you hit on the back here, it'll push down and turn the tool whichever direction you had it set to. This kit is for when you get stubborn oil level drain plugs or anything like that, and they don't want to come out. And sometimes they just seize in there, and or somebody put it in way too tight. And the fill plug, somebody put in way too tight, and it definitely wasn't me. I can assure you that. So we're gonna give this tool a shot. So I got it where it's going to turn to the left, and pretty much all you do is just hit it with a hammer and it should crack it loose. And I tell you, it worked like a charm. I'm going to have to do a little bit to get this unstuck, but what I can do is just screw it in, just keep it a little loose, and it'll be ready for next year when I need to fill the lower end unit with oil. Now I'm pretty sure this bottom one is loose, but I can check real quick too. But yeah, it did exactly what I needed it to do. So I'm pretty happy about that. And just like I thought, I did purposely leave the bottom one pretty loose. And so we're just gonna leave it like that. And so it'll be ready next year to change all the oil, which I may replace that screw because the seal is cracked and torn, and you know, it's always good to replace that stuff every so often. I mean, this stuff is in the water, and I don't like getting oil in the water. So yep, so problem solved. And definitely a tool that you need when working on boat motors. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this helped somebody, as it obviously helped me. But please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.